Ever wanted to use a powerful AI, but, without sending all your private data to some giant tech company? Well, today we're going to unlock the secret to running sophisticated AI models completely offline right on your own PC. Let's get into it.
For the longest time, it felt like powerful AI was this exclusive club, right? Either you used the tools big tech gave you, or you basically needed a server farm in your basement. You could borrow their AI, sure, but you couldn't really own it. It just felt out of reach for most of us. Well, guess what? That's all changing. A whole new wave of these small, incredibly efficient language models has totally arrived. And get this, thanks to simple tools like Ollama, you can literally download and run them directly on your own machine. This isn't just some technical upgrade, it's a huge shift, putting the power and the privacy of AI right back into your hands. So here's the game plan. We'll start with how this whole local AI thing is even possible. Then, we're going to meet a few AI specialists. Think of them as a team. DeepSeek the reasoner, Qwen the pro-coder, and Llama the speedy generalist. And to wrap it all up, we'll figure out the perfect AI setup just for you and your machine. All right, so what's the secret sauce here? How is this all so easy? Well, it's a tool called Ollama. Just think of it like a super smart installer and manager for all these AI models. It does all the heavy lifting, all the complex setup stuff in the background. It turns what used to be a total technical headache into, well, a single, simple command. And I'm not kidding here. The whole process is so streamlined, you can literally go from nothing to having a powerful AI chatbot running completely offline on your own computer in just a matter of minutes. The barrier to entry, it's just gone.
Okay, first up, let's talk about DeepSeek. You should really think of this model as your specialist, the deep thinker on the team. Whenever you need to do more than just get a quick answer, I'm talking about summarizing a super dense document or analyzing a ton of customer feedback. This is the AI you're going to want to call on.
And what's really fascinating about DeepSeek is how versatile it is. It comes in different sizes, right? They're measured in something called parameters. You can just think of those as connections in a brain. There's a nimble 1.5 billion parameter model that's awesome for quick sorting tasks. But then there's the bigger 7 billion parameter model, and that one has some serious brain power. It's perfect for heavy-duty reasoning, like digging into a complex PDF and answering super specific questions about what's inside. So here's where it gets really clever. You can use these models together. Imagine using that small, fast DeepSeek model to first look at your request. It asks, okay, is this a coding question or is this a complex reasoning problem? It acts exactly like a smart dispatch operator, sending your prompt to the perfect specialist for the job. This makes your whole system way smarter and way more efficient. Okay, let's bring in our next specialist. Now, for anyone out there who writes code, you're going to want to listen up. Meet Qwen. This model is a seriously specialized coding assistant. It's built from the ground up to be your private, local pair programmer. Just imagine having a coding assistant that lives right inside your editor. It's there helping you untangle those really tricky Python functions or spotting errors before they turn into massive headaches. That's exactly what Qwen does. It's a really powerful, totally private alternative to cloud tools like GitHub Copilot, which means your own code stays right where it belongs on your machine. All right, so we've met the thinker and the builder on our team. Now it's time to meet the sprinter, the Llama family of models. These guys are designed for one thing and one thing only, really, speed. They are your all-rounders, absolutely perfect for general chat, quick tasks, especially if you're running on a machine that's maybe not the most powerful. Remember that mixture of experts system we talked about? Well, Llama is your perfect fallback agent. If a question comes in that doesn't need the heavy-duty reasoning of DeepSeek or the coding skills of Qwen, you just send it here. It's your go-to for getting a quick, sensible answer without having to fire up the big guns. I mean, think about it. You don't need a 7 billion parameter superbrain to tell you how to make a sandwich, right? Nope. You just need a fast, lightweight model that gives you a good answer instantly. And that is the absolute sweet spot for a speedy generalist like Llama. Okay, this is it. This is where the rubber meets the road. We've met all the players, but the big question remains, which one is right for you and for the computer sitting in front of you right now? Let's break it down and get practical. All right, think of this table as your ultimate cheat sheet. If you're doing complex reasoning with DeepSeek, you're going to want 16 gigabytes of RAM, maybe even more. For coding with Qwen, that 8 to 16 gigabyte range is great, and for just fast general chat with Llama, 8 gigabytes is totally fine. Oh, and you'll also see another specialist on here, 5.4. That one's a math whiz, and it also fits really nicely in that 8 to 16 gigabyte range.
So let's really get into the hardware. What can you actually do? With 8 gigabytes of RAM, you can comfortably run all those smaller, faster models. We're talking great coding help and general chat, no problem. But 16 gigabytes, that is truly the sweet spot for local AI. Why? Because it unlocks those bigger, more powerful 7 billion parameter models. It means you can tackle those really complex reasoning tasks without your computer slowing to a crawl. All of it right on your own desktop.
So here's the bottom line. The whole era of powerful AI being locked away in the cloud, that's over. The idea of having a personal, private, and genuinely powerful AI assistant that works completely offline, it isn't science fiction anymore. It's a reality, and it's available on your desktop right now.
And so that leaves just one last, really exciting question for you. Now that all this power is in your hands, completely under your control with nobody watching, what are you going to build with it?